Good morning. Here we are. We've arrived at Beaver Dam. As we can see it, it's going to be part 2. Yeah, I hope you can see it because honestly I'm just guessing. I can't even see the screen. But yep, this is it. And we're here for part 2, Friday night steak night. And they tell me it's going to be a really happening place, really crazy. So that'll be good. Hope we get some good film for you, good shots. So enough of me talking, let's get going. And if you guys want to really help Beaver Dam, hit the like, share, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. I'm not monetized, so of course, you know, every YouTube creator wants to see their videos successful, but the deal is it will really help get the word out for Beaver Dam. And travelers, we want you to pick it up. We got the apps. Freecampsites.net is not an app. It's on the web, of course, .net. But we got boondocking. We got some other ones that everybody uses. So I'm gonna pin it on there. So yeah, we're gonna rock and roll, guys. We love you. I appreciate you. Be sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe, and the notification bell, of course, and help Beaver Dam get put on the map. Okay, guys? Love you, and let's get rolling.
Since I felt this way, the night was long and the sky was gray, and I wondered if I would always feel lonely. The winter chill is nice at first, but after a while the cold just burns, and I'm ready for the sun to shine down on me. Oh, and now I feel the sun. Yeah, being with you. One kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world bloom. I'm feeling brand new, in the light of the moon. Oh, we're dancing all night to a favorite Timberlake tune. I can't stop this feeling, I'm falling for you. Thought love was a fleeting friend, just a dandelion lost in the wind. Go on, catch it if you can. For a while thought I was close, but I got thorns and not a rose. But with you I've got a field of wildflowers. I just love being with you, being with you. One kiss of your lips and you're making my whole world bloom. I'm feeling brand new, in the light of the moon. Oh, we're dancing all night to a favorite Timberlake tune. I can't stop this feeling. These pages turning, yesterday is burning. Now's the time for learning, the future has come. I feel the times are changing, I see the light escaping, a season for connecting. Tomorrow has dawned, dreaming with a vision, seeing new horizons. I just gotta feel it, freedom has come. Hearing sound and color, as days are getting better. Yesterday is over and the future has come. Are you ready for a new wave coming? I'll start the fire, gonna take it higher. I've been ready for a new day coming. future has come. Are you ready for a new wave coming? I'll start the fire, gonna take it higher. I've been ready for a new day coming. The sun's getting brighter. Can you see? It's a golden age. It's a golden age. Yeah, I believe it's a golden age. Hey, I get ready now. Hey, I get ready now. Hey, I get ready now. Are you ready for the wave coming? I'll start the fire. We'll take it higher. I've been ready. New day coming. Sun's getting brighter. Right now, it's a golden age. It's a golden age. Yeah, I believe it's a golden age. Are you ready now? It's a golden age. It's a golden age.
Really great people. Really great people. Great time. As you can see in the video, it's definitely a happening place and people like it. So it speaks volumes when you got that many people coming just to eat some steak and do some fellowship. Fellowship, that's what we'll call it. But they had a great time. Everybody had a great time. There was no bad times, nobody yelling, nobody cussing at each other, or no fights. There was children during the steak night, but as you can see later on, yeah, the children were not present, and rightly so, because after and the steaks are from 6:30 to 9 o'clock, or if they run out before 9, they went till 9. I think they even served a little few after 9. So if they had them, the cooking staff is amazing, headed by a beautiful woman that's just full of life, full of joy, loves what she does. So yeah, man, let's do it. Recommend it. Come by here. You guys traveling, stop by, make this a stop, man. Like I said, I'm pinning it in the apps. It's Beaver Dam. On GPS it says Camden, Tennessee. They feel like they're more in Eva. I don't know. I'm just telling you, GPS says Camden. So it's Beaver Dam, Camden, Tennessee. Make it one of your stops, guys. Make it one of your stops. It's well worth it. Even if it's not on a weekend, and the weekdays, the food's still just as good. The people are just as good. It won't be as crowded, and won't be as how do I put this? Lively. But it was a great time, great people. Guys, I'm already almost 3 minutes into this. We will check you out later. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. It'll help the algorithms, and if you want to help this place, that's the best way to do it. I'm not monetized, so it's not something that I'm going to make money on, but it'll help this place, it'll help get it out. So love you guys. See you on the next one, hopefully. Lord willing, and the creek don't rise, right? All right, guys, take care. Love you, man.